Good evening. We're all gathered here today because I have a very special announcement to make. For 40 years, I handled Smith Corporation with enthusiasm. From real estate to hospitality, the food industry. We were able to expand and provide job opportunities for Filipinos, not only in Metro Manila, but in the whole country. With that being said, I am already at my retirement age. All I want is just to relax, focus more on the things or on my remaining days. And after years of searching and grooming my successor, the time has finally come for me to announce who the rightful heirs of Smith Corporation is. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to meet Carla Garcia Smith, my one and only daughter, and the rightful heiress of the Smith Corporation.
No! No, this can't be real! Yung muchachang yan, yan yung nawawala mong anak? Imposible!
Yaya noon, CEO na ngayon. Hindi akalain ni Gabriela na ang kinamumuhian niyang si Carla ang siya palang tunay na tagapagmana ng tiyuhin niyang si Mr. Smith. Papayag ba si Gabriela na mapunta sa iba ang sa tingin niya'y deserve niya?
Yan yung nawawala mong anak? Imposible!
It's true, Gabriela. Carla, who happens to work for you as a maid at one point, is my biological daughter.
Ano ka ba, Paul? Ha? Akala ko matalinong tao ka. Baka maya, nagsabuatan na yung Carla at Danny na yan para paniwalain ka na siya yung anak mo.
I don't think the DNA test result would lie.
No, Uncle. You have to redo the tests. Hindi rin ako papayag na siya ang tagapagmana ng kumpanya mo. I worked hard for years.
No, Gabriela. You didn't work hard. Edgar and all your staff did all the work for you. Alam din ni Mr. Smith na once a week ka lang pumasok sa opisina. And you only stayed there for 2 hours the most.
At least I show up. Eh, yung maid na yan, ano ba napatunayan niya?
Well, if you should know, she has been secretly training with the help of Danny and my guidance. She has surpassed all her trainings in the US, and her newly launched project, Carla's Restaurant, is going to be opening in 4 cities within the year.
Not only that, 5 months na nag-observe si Carla sa mga hotels at resorts under the Smith Corporation. And she even presented her plans to the board, which we are expected of you to do. But didn't even lift a finger. Puro ka lang delegate.
Ano? Parang lahat na lang na mali nakikita niyo sa akin? I stayed and served the longest. I treated my people well.
You treat your people well? I've seen you with your secretary, with your staff in the office, even with your servers in the mansion. You're a rude person.
Sobra ka naman sa rude, Paul. We pay them to serve us.
But still, we should treat them like decent human beings. I have decided. Danny and Carla will take over the company. And you and your family, I wanted to leave my mansion.
What? Gabriela, ang gagawin natin? Ayoko maghirap, ha?
Carla? Carla? Di ba ako nagpalaki sa anak mo? You owe me. You owe me that. Please, maawa ka naman sa amin. Kausapin mo naman si Uncle na huwag kami paalisin sa mansyon. Na huwag kami paalisin sa kumpanya. Parang awa mo na. Please.
Will you really do anything and everything, Gabriela?
Oo. Maawa ka lang sa amin. Sige.
Lumuhod ka at pagkatapos halikan mo yung paa ko.
Nagbibiro ka ba?
Bakit? Mukha ba akong nakikipagbiguan sa'yo? Ang sabi ko, lumuhod ka tapos halikan mo yung paa ko.
Carla,
You shut up!
ako na lang. Ako na lang yung panoorin mo. Ikaw naman yung galit sa akin, di ba?
Mamaya ka pa sa akin.
Chill.
Luhod!
Ang Gabriela.
Just need... Tumayo na. Hindi tayo magkapareho. Hindi ako demonita. Makakaalis na ho kayo.
Nalisan tayo. Pag pa nila tayo pahiyain.
Let's go, Gabriela.
No. I deserve to stay here.
Let's go. Don't embarrass yourself. Okay? Let's go.
So once again, I introduce my daughter, Carla Garcia Smith, the present and future of Smith Corporation.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Carla Garcia Smith. Nagtrabaho po ako bilang isang serbidora. Maaga po akong nabuntis, nanganak, at iniwan ng kinakasama.
Bye-bye.
Bye, babe.
Inagawan rin po ako ng sarili kong anak. Namasukan ho ako bilang isang yaya sa pamilya ng isang lalaki na inabando na po ako para makasama ko yung anak ko. Akala ko ho ng mga panahon na yon, katapusan na po ng buhay ko. Pero butihin po ang ating Panginoon. Maraming salamat sa Diyos dahil muli po nakita ko po ang nanay ko. Nay. Nakilala ko na rin po ang tunay kong tatay. Tay. May minamahal na rin po ako ngayon, si Danny. Nag-aral po ako ng mabuti. Nagsumikap po ako para maging karapat-dapat na bagong CEO ng Smith Corporation. Kailangan ko po ang tulong at suporta ninyo. Alam ko pong marami akong matututunan sa bawat isa sa inyo. Sana ay may matutunan din po kayo sa akin. Maraming salamat po.
We have one more surprise for tonight. And it's for Carla.
Will you marry me, Carla?
Yes, syempre.
Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa ating istorya sa Tadhana. Nakaka-relate ka ba sa ating mga bida? Nako, i-comment mo na yan para sa iba't ibang kwento na punong-puno ng pag-asa at inspirasyon. Mag-subscribe na sa GMA Public Affairs at YouTube channel. I-click na rin ang bell button para lagi kang updated sa pinakabagong storya ng Tadhana.